Alright, you guys. Bought this boat a while back. Just took this boat off with a small washer. Check that washer out. Let's see what the previous owners had inside of here. Whoa. That's crazy. That's why you always want to check when you buy a boat. That's why the trolling motor is losing power. It's craziness. All that was in the trolling motor. So if you ever buy a boat, first thing you want to do is check the trolling motor propeller. That's crazy. Now, take that pin, put that in like that. Line it up. Put that washer. Tighten that baby down, and you're good.